I once asked a wealthy elderly man, "What can I give you to receive all your wealth?" He looked at me and said, "In exchange, your body." I was taken aback, but then he explained something profound. He said, "You have something I don't, time. Time is the most valuable commodity for success." Think about it. While I may have energy and ambition, he has years of experience and wisdom. He urged me to use my time wisely, to plan for the long term, to invest in knowledge, relationships, and skills. Success isn't just about money, it's about how you leverage your time. So, I realized that instead of chasing quick riches, I should be building a foundation for the future. The choices I make today will shape my tomorrow. Time is my greatest asset. What can I do with it, if I pay attention? Thanks for watching the entire clip. Let us know what you think of the content. Have a great day!